It's Wednesday afternoon. Your agency emailed over their Q3 campaign pitch yesterday. 50 slides, beautifully designed, full of strategy speak. Your review meeting is tomorrow at 10 a.m. You haven't opened it yet. And you know if you walk in unprepared, you'll nod through the whole thing and agree to a budget you didn't actually interrogate. Welcome to Pham's AI Superpowers. I'm Dan. I don't specialize in AI yet. I'm still learning it myself. But I found a workflow that lets you walk into any agency review meeting sharper than the people who actually wrote the deck. Don't read 50 slides. Open a blank PowerPoint, fire up the Copilot Chat pane, and we're going to interrogate the deck instead of reading it. Type this in. Read the attached agency pitch deck and give me 4 things. 1. The core strategic recommendation in 1 sentence. 2. The 3 biggest assumptions they're making about our brand or our customer. 3. The budget ask and what it includes. And 4. The 5 questions I should ask before we agree to anything. Use the / command to link the PDF. In about 20 seconds, you've got a complete pre-meeting brief, the strategy, the assumptions, the money, and your ammunition. Now turn the analysis into action. I prompt Copilot. Draft a short reply email to the agency thanking them for the deck and asking 3 of those 5 questions in writing before the meeting so they come prepared. You send that email this afternoon. Tomorrow's meeting goes from a one-sided pitch to a real working session because the agency walked in already knowing where you're going to push. Here's the real shift. Most marketers treat agency decks like something to consume. Read it, sit through the meeting, react. The move is to treat the deck like something to interrogate before anyone presents anything. Same 50 slides, but now you're the one running the meeting. Work smarter, not harder. Follow for more AI superpowers in Microsoft 365.